stock number 40681W. It's a 2015 Dodge Challenger. It does have a key, it does not start. See, the front fender's good, front headlights are good, front bumper's good, the hood is good. Scuff right there on the front fender. Quarter panel's no good. Rear bumper, deck lid's no good. Driver's side quarter panel's no good. Driver's side door's good. And the front fender's good. Passenger seat airbag is deployed. All the seat belts are locked. It does have a key. It does not start. The passenger roof airbag is deployed too. Does not have a sunroof. This is stock number 40681W. It is a 2015 Dodge Challenger. It does have a key, it does not start.